Check out this 2021 Genesis GV80. Enjoy a view of this Genesis GV80, the thoroughly modern midsize luxury SUV that offers exhilarating performance, a serenely comfortable interior, and a standard suite of driver assist safety features. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, traction control, daytime running lights, power windows, power door locks, power steering. Feel confident about what lies ahead in this inspired GV80. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.